Here we are, it's Mother's Day time, and Brandon has got the ultimate gift for his wife. This new car. Check it out. What a gift. It's so new, doesn't even have the plate on it. Woo! And we're here to capture the reaction. Here we go. False alarm.
She said she won't be done till like 6. I was like, no! Okay, so, there's one more surprise. So, we've been... I want to go out the door too. Hi guys! What up, no?
Sorry, that's why I was trying to rush you a little bit because they were like waiting for you.
Sorry. I didn't know you guys are meeting us here.
So I have one more surprise.
I'm already married.
So one of the things
You wouldn't know if I'm pregnant or not.
Can you hold it a second? In the back. So one of the things you have of being married is like, being a mom is being married. And when you get married, you get rid of what's old and you start a new life. So what I did is I got something rid of old of yours. And I got something new for you.
No way! Oh my gosh! Holy crap. Wow! I thought you weren't buying it.
Nope. That's all yours.
Woo! It's beautiful. Oh my gosh! Ew. Oh wow! Don't step on my toes. Oh wow! Holy cow! Can I get in?
Yeah, it's
oh yeah, it's my car. Whew. Try not to flash you with my short skirt here. Whew.
It's okay, it's all on film, so it's alright.
Yeah, it's like permanent. Okay, wait.
Oh, I forgot. Oh.
Wow. A steering wheel that won't cut my hands?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I can't believe this is our car.
Yeah, do you notice something?
Is it hooked up to my phone already? Or your phone?
But see,
Whoa! Whoa!
oh, where's my phone?
In your pocket?
But it's already playing my music!
Holy cow.
So auto connects to your thing.
It like makes me nervous,
You make
but
phone calls.
holy cow. What? Okay, it's gonna take me like days to learn this, but
So I can call Sean.
hello, Sean. And I can talk to it like this. What? Oh my gosh.
Hello? Hello?
Hello? I'm
Hi.
calling you from my brand new car! Oh my gosh.
Want to hang up?
Ooh, okay, I get it. So you do, okay. I feel like, I mean, it's awesome. I just feel like it's a brand new car. Like,
Okay,
oh my
so
gosh. Well, not brand new, I don't know.
we now have,
There's literally, like, seriously only 41 miles on this car. So it's like brand new.
actually it was 18 when you first got it.
Is it on our insurance though?
No, not yet.
Oh crap.
So
Dad, don't
it's
listen to
on,
that
it's
part.
it's on an insurance, so it's okay if it crashes. Give him all the paperwork, so.
Alright.
Just park it in a spot, babe, and then I'll show you how to use it.
That's what she said.
Yeah, new car.
I don't know if it's in drive or not. Well, we'll learn this all later.
Unfortunately, I